Finding moment by using the shortest distance technique. The technique here is very simple as because the moment is defined by the force times the shortest distance already. So it's not any distance, is the shortest distance. So in this particular piece AB, it is a test at point A, and we're trying to we are applying these three different force at point A, point B, and seeing what's going to happen to this piece. So it is a test at point A firmly. Now, based on the shortest distance technique, as you can see, this 400 is passing through that fulcrum A, so the distance is already 0 for the 400. Let's say D400. Now the D300, that distance for the 300 force, it is already perpendicular, so perpendicular distance is the shortest distance. You can find basically any distance that's going to be always longer than the perpendicular distance. So it is already shortest distance, so that is already 30 inches. Now for the 200 pounds, you got to extend that line of action of that force and then calculate. So gonna draw a perpendicular line, so that's the 90 degrees. So this is the shortest distance from A for that 200 pound force. So this is the piece that we need to calculate in this situation. So very simple. So if this is 60 degree, then we can say this is 60 degree as well. So this D200 is going to be simply using the right triangle formula. That's going to be 30 inches sine of 60 degree. So that will be the shortest distance. I calculated that 25.98 inches. Now, if you take moments with respect to point A, all counterclockwise moment positive. So for the 400, the distance is 0 already, so it's not going to add anything. For the 300, it's going to do a clockwise moment. Remember, we attached this at point A and trying to see what happened to this entire point AB piece if you apply forces in this way by these three forces. So this 300 will do a clockwise rotation with respect to A. So that's going to be a negative moment. 300 times 30 inches is the shortest distance. And then this force 200, if you look at the line of action, is try to push in this direction. So it's going to do a counterclockwise moment with respect to A. So that's going to be a positive moment. So the force is 200. The distance is now 25.98. So if this is minus 9,000, and then this one is 5,096. If you sum all of this, the total moment would be minus 3803.85 pound inches.